Because what is presented here is a truly excellent three-dimensional visualization of the organs, regions and systems of the human body. There is also a valuable opportunity to view certain systems in CT and MRI modes, as well as a detailed volumetric depiction of particular anatomical structures.
We are able to provide a three-dimensional object, and we can take, for example, the blood vessels and nerves separately, the relationships, the muscles, the blood vessels and nerves, and so on. I believe that having a table like this in our department will play a truly groundbreaking role in improving the overall quality of education and in further strengthening students' understanding, especially their spatial understanding of what the human body looks like.
Now our department has these tables, and we are very pleased that the department's material resources have been enhanced with such a wonderful investment. I think this will be very interesting because only a very short time has passed since all the instructors first became familiar with this table, but we have already managed to appreciate many of the advantages of working with it.
We are now actively incorporating them into our department's weekly meetings on a regular basis. The guys have already delivered their very first presentations, and it has really helped a lot in traumatology and orthopedics because the skeleton is shown quite clearly and in good detail, and everything gets organized and put together very quickly. We have preserved specimens as plastinates. Right away, the person demonstrates on the plastinate, moves it to the table, can rotate it and make a section. The brain is also included for neurosurgeons. Everything was truly excellent as well. Everyone was genuinely delighted. Both the student audience and our team members who served as the presenters were very pleased and satisfied.
This department plays one of the key roles in the educational process because it has taken our international students who came from different countries around the world under its wing as its advisees and trainees. These students, thanks specifically to this department, had the opportunity to participate in inter-university competitions, intra-university competitions, as well as international competitions.
The distinctive feature of this table is that it's not merely a table, it's actually a complete program, and this program, the PIROGOV table, they can integrate into their own smartphones and other devices, laptops, PCs, tablets, and then log in remotely from those devices to view and work with this table. As an instructor, I can give them assignments and then online and in real time observe how they actually complete those assignments. And there's definitely a setup here where if I give an assignment to the group, the same one for everyone, and someone completes it, it clearly shows exactly who it is.